Yeah, you're gonna have to speak loud, okay?
Tell me when.
Right now.
Okay. I'm making food for the kids at school. I'm the kid at school.
What are you making with? What are the ingredients?
Some leaves that I found in the tree. It looks good already.
And what is that powder-looking stuff?
I don't know. Now Betsy's not gonna be mad at me no more because I got the thing.
This tree is like in my way. I'm gonna laugh when I fall because I'm like at the edge of my roof, and so I'm not sure how far that looks. But that doesn't look pretty far, but then again looks pretty big. I don't know. You can't zoom in while you're like videotaping, so it's pretty gay. Like, I want to get it closer.
Whoa! Party little cat. There's a cell phone in here.
Leave that alone! Ew, spider! Don't do that! That's gross. Spider. Gosh. Gosh. Suicidal. Just kidding.
Gosh, people. S-O-X.
That spells sock. S-O-X.
How does S?
I'm having a wedgie now. I'm sorry, I did not need to know that. What is she doing? Hope I don't fall.
I want to get back to the old days.
I don't know if I can see her. What are you doing for the kids' food? Where are you going? I can't hear you.
Mother Nature, are you taking a pig? Here's some Luna. Mother Nature, are you taking a pig? That's in a pig too.
Oh, my phone is ringing.
There's that lemon. I need to squeeze it.
You need to squeeze it. My phone is ringing. Hello? Hello? ¿Sí? Ahorita no está, pero va a regresar en como 10 minutos. Ahorita creo que está con Pati, pero dicen de que van a comprar el Jack in the Box. Ajá. Oh. Okay. Bye. Hey, sorry. It was a call. You know, this is already 3 minutes. Were you trying to shoot that at me?
No, I was trying to play.
Okay. Smart idea.
This is hard to play.
Well, this is Ashley's cooking.
Mother Nature, is the food ready? Why the fuck do you keep on calling me Mother Nature? My sister told me you're Mother Nature. So, Mother Nature.
Who is your sister?
My sister? Miley Cyrus.
What the fuck?
Why doesn't she look like you? Because she's adopted by aliens. But why does your mom look like Miley and not you? Oh, look, it looks like blood.
Well, I can't zoom in.
Ash!
What the fuck?
No, actually, Beyonce is my big sister. I just guessed what. I'm just gonna put this in the kids' food. But Mother Nature! That I have to eat that? That's disgusting.
You said it looked good earlier.
Not before you put it on.
Yeah, it's pretty nasty.
Let's put on caca. Sit on the roof.
I know she did. Why are you cutting with that?
The knife.
Actually, it's a spatula.
Oh, it's a SpongeBob.
It feels really good outside. It's not hot.
Food.
That's not. I'm not eating that.
No,
What the fuck?
My food. You're mean. I would put on her cock.
Did you say it was on my cock or crotch?
Yeah, no.
Ew.
I'm not gonna get the cat with rabies and bite you. No, that's the kitty with rabies.
That's my chunky kitty.
No! It has rabies.
Oh.
I got bit by the cat with rabies.
Poor kitty. That's my chunky kitty. She's really fat.
I got bit by the rabies. I am a witch. Remember
I'm gonna laugh when I slip and fall on you, Ashley. Is my cat making pee pee? Oh man, that is gay. I didn't get that. I was looking at my cat. That looked real for a second.
Watch out! My arm! My freaking arm!
I'm just getting a wedgie from sitting up here. And again, you guys should not know that. It hurts. Like, I have to stand up, but I can't. Because then I think I'm going to fall off from, like, right at the edge. Well, actually, no. Not really. What are you doing? If only I had, like, a trampoline. It'd probably, like, just fall into the trampoline. Wow, that's, like, dead grass right there. My chunky kitty is walking. You're gonna get the cat with rabies? Be careful, she's gonna run away.
Your cat with rabies ran away.
I know. Do you want to stop recording? Because it's like already 7 minutes. Oh my goodness.
I got kids. My dad, they checked.
I really am gonna laugh if I fall, but then again, I don't want to. Get the cat with rabies. You actually turned that on.
Bitch, say hello to my little friend. Hello,
And that's how far you can go. Hey, while you're down there, can you water my plants? Well, at least the lemon tree. Try to, not the grass.
No, Mother Nature, don't be on the lemon. Let the rest fall down.
You're wetting the camera! Shit. That feels pretty cold.
It's time for us to eat.
Is my mom here?
Yeah.
Okay.